This week is very, very important for crypto, especially Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum. So make sure to stick around because we are going to go over the Fed meeting and what to expect. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications because this will allow you to be notified when I post. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, as you guys can see right now, Bitcoin has plummeted because, if you guys can see, we have been creating this descending channel because every crypto investor right now is waiting for the big Fed meeting this Wednesday at 2 p.m. Central Time. Everyone should be watching this because this is very, very important. And this is why we're seeing Bitcoin dip along with Ethereum, because everyone is waiting for the big news. And right now, Ethereum is sitting around 1,400. As I said earlier today, if we break below this 1,500, we can see Ethereum tank to 13 to 1,400. I was correct, along with Bitcoin. And guys, it can get much worse than this right now. This is why this is a warning to every crypto holder. So make sure to prepare for Wednesday because we can either see crypto recover or we can see crypto crash. And I'm going to explain. As you guys know, this week there's a Fed meeting, as I said, Wednesday at 2 p.m. And, Jerome Powell is going to be having a meeting on whether to raise interest, hikes all the way up to 100 basis points or what he said back in June, which was around 75 basis points. So there are a lot of things we must look out for during this meeting. First off, does he raise the basis points to 75 or 100? If he raises to 75, that is good news for the crypto market along with the stock market. But if he raises it to 100 basis points, well, guys, we can see the crypto market take a hit along with the stock market. Now, there are two other things. If you made it this far, I'm going to tell you what we should look out for, and I'm going to get right into it. Okay, the second thing is Jerome Powell is going to be talking, and we must look and observe what he says. And basically what I mean by this is he's going to give us hints of whether or not he's going to continue raising the basis points in September to 75, or is he going to cool it down to 50 basis points? If this is good news, if good news is basically if he says, yeah, we're going to cool down this because inflation is lowering, we're going to do 50 basis points now, then that's a good sign that the market is recovering, and we should see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the crypto market do well. But let's just say, for the sake of this scenario, he expects to do 75 basis points and 100 basis points. Well, guys, this is bad. Second thing is he talks about inflation. Is it concerning? Is inflation expected to cool down or not? That is the last thing we should look out for. If he says it's going to cool down, then we should expect the basis points to be around 50 in the month of September. But if he says it's not cooling down, inflation is still rising, we're having a lot of problems, well, we should expect still a 75 basis points to 100. And that means the market is, the crypto market is still in danger of crashing at any moment. So hopefully you guys understand what you guys should be looking out for this week on Wednesday at 2 p.m. because Jerome Powell is going to be speaking. We should be looking first at, is he going to raise it to 75 or 100 basis points this month? Or actually, and we should also be looking out for what Jerome Powell says. Does he say, yeah, inflation is cooling down? Is it not cooling down? And then the last thing, which is very important, what we should be looking out for as well, is, are we going to cool down, raising the basis points to 75? We're going to go back down to 50. Or are we going to continue 75 basis points to 100? Those are things we need to look out for in the future for the crypto market. But with that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure you guys subscribe. Absolutely turn on the post notifications. And make sure you guys like the video, share it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.